Hi everyone, Native Productions here. Today we're doing a review of the Lamborghini Huracan Coupe or Huracan Coupe by a company called Unifornit or Unifornit. A couple more of different type of cars, as you can see from their branding here. And this specific car has got a opening doors and a pull back and go feature. So this will be an unboxing video and a kind of a review. Now I can already see that the car looks a bit dusty from the box, but let's have a look inside and see a bit more closer detail. Now once I took the car out of the box, we can see that it's got the RMSZ City branding on it, and it was quite dusty, so I had to dust off a bit, but got 5L here. At the bottom it's got the few more details on the back, and it's screwed in like that, so we just have to remove it to have access to the vehicle. Right, so it looks like this is the car itself. You can see it's got the regular headlights, and it does not have a open bonnet for the engine. It just has the doors opening. That's how it's like inside. And the doors close with a very loud click. And other than that, it's a pullback car. But it's again a wonderful colour and a wonderful make, and a very, very good looking car indeed. And the scale for it should be somewhere here, but I think this is more likely to be a scale of 1/32 or even a 1/46 perhaps. If you do like this video, guys, please do consider subscribing, and see you for the next video. Bye.